Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today I am going to show you my 5-minute non-toxic makeup routine. I get a lot of questions about the products that I use on my skin, so I was sitting down to do my makeup. I figured I would film it and walk you through everything. So it's super simple. I am not somebody who does like elaborate hair and makeup, as you can probably tell from all of my photos and videos. I'm a very simple girl when it comes to stuff like that. So I thought it would be fun to show you the different products that I use. There's really not that many. This is the like routine, quote unquote, that I do before I film videos, before I go out to dinner. I don't typically wear makeup every single day, but when I do, this is what I do. So let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, I have already prepped my skin. I washed and did all of my moisturizing and everything like that. I will be sharing that in a separate video very soon, so stay tuned for that. But the first thing that I do and use is a tinted moisturizer. So this is the one that I use. It's from Untitled Naturals, and it's one that I've been using for a couple years now. It has a very kind of sheer cover, so it isn't like a foundation, but I find that this is all I really need. And the reason why I like using a product like this is because it has SPF 30. So I'm not only getting some coverage for my face, like smoothing out my complexion, but I'm also getting SPF. So I kind of just do like 2 pumps, so it's about that much, and that's gonna be enough for my whole face. And I have a mirror right here, so if I keep looking over, that's what I'm looking at. And I basically just dot, 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 and then I just rub it in. And this is they have just one tint. This is a really great brand. It's really affordable, which I love. And you can get this at like Whole Foods and most natural grocery stores, but it's also available on Amazon and Thrive Market and all those good things. So you can see it's not really making that big of a difference, but it kind of just smooths out my overall complexion, which is what I love. And also it's giving me that SPF. So the next thing that I do is my under eyes. And the thing that I'm using is a concealer pen from 100% Pure. And I really like this one. I don't know the the color, but I will link it for you in the description box below. And essentially, I just dab it under my eyes. And I also use this as like any spots. So if I have any pimples or anything like that, I'll just use this little thing to dot them on. And then I either just use my hands. So for these ones, I'll just kind of dab it on with my finger, and then I'll dab that one on. Got a little Cyclops thing going on today. And then I just use a beauty blender to get my under eye coverage even. And I'll usually just like go over it like that. Next up is my cheeks, and I use a cheek tint thing from 100% Pure. So this is like a little stick, and it's kind of like a lipstick. It actually doubles as a lip tint too. And I basically just draw it on like war paint, and then I just rub it in. And I'm really just giving my cheeks a little bit of color. I make sure to always pull upwards to tighten up my skin. And it's just gonna add that nice little pop. I use the peach color. That's the one I like the best. It's kind of like a peachy pink color. And that is my face. So that's pretty much all I do for the base of my face. Then I do eyebrows, then I do eyes, and then I'm done. So for my eyebrows, I use a brow powder / gel from 100% Pure. So this is what it looks like. And then I also use this little pencil from 100% Pure. It has a little thing on the bottom to smooth out your eyebrows, and then it has the little brow definer brush side. So the first thing that I do is just kind of like brush my eyebrows into place, and then I use this little brush end to color them in. Eyebrows are done, and I swear it makes so much of a difference. So then all I do next is curl my eyelashes, put on some eyeliner, and then I do my mascara. So I'll curl my eyelashes first. I should mention that the eyeliner I use also from 100% Pure. It's their black just pencil eyeliner, and I love it. It's so creamy and it goes on super easily. So then to finish off my look, I use two different mascaras. So I have one that lengthens and one that adds volume. So the first one is from Beauty Counter. This is their Lengthening Mascara. And then the second is from 100% Pure, and this adds in the volume. So I curled my eyelashes already, and I will just go ahead in with my lengthening. So you can tell I've got some lengthening going on, and then I go in with my volumizing. And that is pretty much it. If I feel like I want to do a little bit of lip color, I will do, again, just a dab of this peach color from 100% Pure. Oh, look, there's Trevi. And that's it, my friends. It's super simple. I will link everything for you below. If you have any other like skincare or anything like that that you would want to see, I would love to hear from you. So make sure to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you're not yet part of our community, there's a red button right below this video. It says subscribe, and you can tap that button and subscribe yourself. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Have a fabulous week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, guys!